prepared to take 20 losses in a row. The likelihood of that happening is about as remote as getting 20 wins in a row. But the point is that the dollar value of the risk of each trade multiplied by 20, you have to be able to afford. So you've got to set it up that way. You've got to set it up so that you can afford the dollar value of the risk of taking 20 losing trades in a row. Because what you're saying to yourself, if taking the risk of taking the 20 trades in a row, losing 20 trades in a row based on the amount of shares that you trade. So for an example, if the standard amount of shares that you trade would say that, if I lost 20 trades in a row based on how much I've got to risk, it's going to be $5,000. You say to yourself, you know what, I don't want to spend $5,000 on this. Then don't. But say I'm truly willing to spend, let's say $1,000. Then set it up where the amount of contracts or shares that you trade correspond to adding each one up where it comes up to $1,000, even if it means just trading 10 shares at a time. Go down to a level where you're completely comfortable with the dollar value. You have to be completely comfortable. And then, when you get an occurrence of your edge, put the trade on and see what happens. And if it turns out to be a winner, you think, oh, hey, yeah, Mark Douglas, hey, good, hey, this is all right, okay? Yeah. So this one turns out to be a winner, and maybe this one turns out to be a winner. And maybe, well, this one's a loser. You think, yeah, okay, I can handle that. And this one's a loser? Uh-oh, and this one's a loser. Now we've got 3 losers in a row. I have rarely met a trader who doesn't have a problem with the next trade after 3 losers in a row. You made the commitment to take every single trade. When the next one comes up and your mind is screaming, no, it's a loser. Remember how our minds are wired to think? Our minds are wired to think that way, but that is not the truth. The truth is, your methodology, the mathematical formula, does not know what the outcome of that trade is going to be. And neither do you. You got to take it anyway. And see, and when these occurrences, when you purposefully put yourself into a situation where you're confronting these conflicting beliefs, because that's what's rearing its head. This is any different than me saying, I want to go run, and then after that program, or it's too cold, it's too hot, it's raining, whatever. It's the exact same thing. You put the trade on anyway.